Hi, my name's Abeer and I'm 11 and I'm going to visit the Cutty Sark in Greenwich. The Cutty Sark is one of the world's last surviving tea clippers and used to transport tea all around the world. Should be great. See you there, follow me. Okay, we're officially here at the Cutty Sark and I'm really excited. Can't wait to go in. Follow me. Okay, here we are in the Cutty Sark. I'm super excited. We are here where they stored the tea and it has a strong smell of green tea. And you can see they're showing us how they made every kind of tea. Okay, I'm on the deck of the Cutty Sark and it's basically got all the information. I was having a look at what they used to have for dinner. Disgusting. There's quite a lot of other stuff. It's really fun. Okay, I'm starting to go into the captain's cabins. Really cramped and steep stairs. There's just a pilot here. I know. Now we're at all the different rooms. First, let's go to the pantry. So this is basically a fancy word for the captain's basically kitchen. It's got loads of fancy stuff. And it's really unfair that the sailors didn't get this. Now this is where the second mate would have stayed. It's got like pictures and basically it's much more luxurious than the other sailors. This is where the first mate would have stayed. And there is chest of drawers here, there's a bed, although not very comfy doesn't look like, but still very luxurious. And this is a steward's place. It's got lots of China stuff and it's got a desk and everything, but it's not a bedroom, so it hasn't got a bed. Okay, so finally in conclusion to our tour, we are under